Prepare to secure your pistol. Secure your pistol. Prepare to secure magazine. Secure magazine. Insert magazine. Do it now. Magazines, it should be inserted. Go to a two-hand shooting grip, and it should be in your chest right now. All right, now with your thumb, you should have that magazine release button. Should be right on the side.
This one?
Generally, it is on the left side of the pistol. You should be able to hit it with your gun hand. Yeah, the boy figured it out. Go ahead and remove your magazine. Try and use just the thumb. Go ahead and put your guns down. Do it now. We're gonna do it again. Do that a few times. Pick up that pistol. Go ahead. Pick up your magazine. Do it now. Insert magazine. Do it now. Two-hand shooting grip into chest. Do it now. Go ahead and remove your magazine. Do it now. Pistols down. Do it now. Deep breaths. Ta-da! All right, so with loading those magazines, I usually find it easiest to put that base plate or the bottom of the magazine. Bottom of the magazine is usually called a base plate because it's at the base of the magazine, and that's, I guess, the plate. I like to keep that right in the bottom of my hand, right in here, using my 3 fingers, but my index finger goes on top. We're gonna go through that same sequence. Using my airsoft gun, I pick up my gun, pick up my magazine, I now insert magazine into pistol, but now you're gonna rack your slide forward. If you want, if you want to just use your left index finger, bang, that's fine. Let me switch my brain to these weirdos real quick. Right? Yeah, right? Yeah. If I'm right-handed, I insert, and with my right thumb, slide forward. That's fine. If you want, you can also pull that slide to the rear. So if you want from that slide lock, you can either hit that slide release or keep that elbow tight, thumb pointed at me. I pull that slide back and let it go. Almost like I'm trying to hit myself in the shoulder. I secure pistol, secure magazine. That slide's gonna be locked to the rear, just like how it is now. I insert pistol into magazine, slide forward, into chest, bang, right here. And I just hang out. This is where I end the drill. Make sense? Go ahead and pick up your pistol, do it now. Pick up magazine, do it now. Insert magazine, do it now. Slide forward, do it now. And you end into chest. On the command of unload and show clear, remove magazine, lock slide to the rear, put it all down. Unload and show clear. First thing we do, remove that magazine and lock that slide to the rear. That round should automatically fly out. That's fine, let it do that. On the command of lock and load, you're gonna pick up your pistol, muzzle's gonna stay downrange, just like it always has, finger's gonna stay off trigger. You're gonna insert magazine, slide's gonna go forward, and you're gonna go right to the ready position, which is right into the chest. You're gonna do all those things on your own on the lock and load command. We're throwing it all together now. Any questions? Lock and load, lock and load, lock and load, that's snap cap, or airsoft gun. On the command, unload and show clear. First thing you're gonna do is remove that magazine. Then, you're gonna lock your slide to the rear and put it down. Unload, show clear, unload, show clear. Put that elbow into your body and use that as like a stopping point.
Yeah, I got. Wait, is the GoPro still recording?
Maybe.
You're a star, dude.
Alright, we're gonna do this one more time.
Yep, it looks like it.
Lock and load, lock and load, lock and load. Lock and load that snap cap or that airsoft gun. Unload and show clear. present, all I'm doing, I don't move my head, I don't move my face, I don't move anything. All I do is push this in an up, almost like an upward diagonal motion right up in my face. I don't change, I don't bring my face down to the gun. I keep my posture and I push the gun into my line of sight. Does that make sense? This doesn't change. The gun comes to you. You don't go to the gun. When I give you that fire command, you're gonna be here. I give you the fire command, I present, put finger on trigger, pull trigger. Notice my finger placement. I'm presenting right here. Even when my arms are fully extended, where is my finger at? On the frame, off the trigger. Because I don't have my sights lined up yet. I line up my sights, I pull trigger, I make clicky. After that, your slide will lock to the rear. On your own, you'll remove magazine, put it down. Once you pull that shot, once I'm here and I click, from there, I remove magazine, lock slide to the rear. I go through my clearing procedures. Lock and load, lock and load, lock and load. On the command of fire, you will give me 1 round, 1 dry round, 1 dry round, 1 dry round. After that dry round, you will unload and show clear on your own. On the fire command, 1 dry round. After that, unload and show clear on your own. Are there any questions? The line is ready, shooters are ready. Stand by. Fire! Unload, show clear when you're done.
Remember, gotta aim.
Step forward. Eyes and ears, eyes and ears, eyes and ears. Lock and load, lock and load, lock and load. The same technique. Same technique. On the command of fire, 1 round in target number 1. After that, remove magazine. Slide already locks to the rear. You step back when you're done. Are there any questions? The line is ready. Shooters ready. Stand by. Fire! Eyes and ears, eyes and ears. Lock and load, lock and load, lock and load. A 5-round magazine. Lock and load a 5-round magazine. On the command of fire, 5 rounds, number 2. Number 2. On the command of fire, 5 rounds, number 2. After that, magazine comes out of the gun, place the gun back on the table, step back. Are there any questions? Shooters ready, stand by, fire! Eyes and ears, eyes and ears, eyes and ears. Lock and load a 5-round magazine. Lock and load a 5-round magazine.
Hey, it cooperated.
Yay! It's gonna for a little. On the command of fire, target number 4. Target 4. All 5 rounds, target 4. Are there any questions? The line is ready, shooters ready, stand by, fire! Eyes and ears, eyes and ears, eyes and ears. Lock and load, lock and load, lock and load. The 8-round magazine. Nice. On the command of fire, you will give me 8 rounds. Target number 5. All 8, target number 5. Are there any questions? Fire!
I did have a weird double shot. I don't know.